Hey guys, welcome to Learn Easy. In our previous video, we have discussed the laboratory determination of water content. If you didn't watch it, click on the link in the description box below. Now before going to the video, let's just take a look at what specific gravity means. By definition, it is the ratio of mass or weight in air of a given volume of a soil sample to the mass or weight of equal volume of distilled water at 4 degrees centigrade, which corresponds to the equation G equals W2 minus W1 by W2 minus W1 minus W3 minus W4. Now, in order to understand this completely, I advise you to take a look at my previous video regarding specific gravity. Explained everything in detail about specific gravity. In order to watch it, click on the I above. While there are many methods available, the most used methods are pacnometer and density bottle. Pacnometer is generally used for coarse-grained soils and density bottle is generally used for fine-grained soils. Despite the change in apparatus, the procedure for both of these experiments remains the same. So we are going to follow either one of them. And the materials required are soil sample and distilled water. Now regarding the apparatus, pacnometer or density bottle. For this video, let's just go with the pacnometer experiment. Test sieves of different sizes and a balance and a drying oven. Now let's move on to the procedure. First, clean and dry the pacnometer and weight. Note down weight as W1. Now take the dry soil sample after sieving it to the required size. Put some of the soil sample into the pacnometer. Remember, you can put as much of a sample as you wish, but do not fill the pacnometer completely with soil. Now take the pacnometer and fill the remaining portion of the pacnometer with water and carefully close the lid, and again carefully fill the remaining part of the pacnometer with water up to the nozzle and weight. Note down the weight as W3. Now empty the contents of the pacnometer and clean it, and again fill it completely with water up to the nozzle and take down the weight. Note it down as W4. Now we have all the required weights. All that's left is to substitute in this formula. We have W1, W2, W3 and W4. You get the value of G. Now repeat this process for 2 to 3 times for best results. And note down the most repeated value as the specific gravity of the specimen. Now as per the precautions, soil should be completely dry and pacnometer cap should be screwed tightly in order to avoid the loss of water. Now regarding the range, coarse-grained soils generally has a specific gravity of around 2.6 to 2.7, whereas fine-grained soils has a specific gravity around 2.7 to 2.8 and the organic soil around 2.3 to 2.5. Specific gravity generally depends on temperature. So for the best results, it's recommended to do the experiment at a temperature of 27 degrees centigrade. So that completes the video. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.